Welcome to Spark Talk English.
where you learn real English, how to think in English, speak naturally, and build confidence step by step.
Stage 1. Daily struggle with English thinking.
Hey Emma, can I ask you something honestly?
Of course, Rahul, what's on your mind?
I understand English, I know grammar, I know vocabulary, but when I speak, my mind first thinks in Hindi, then I translate into English. That makes me slow and nervous.
That's a very common problem. You're not alone. Many learners face this.
Really? Sometimes I feel I'll never speak naturally.
You will, but only when you stop translating in your head. Stage 2. Why translating is a problem.
But how can I stop translating? It happens automatically.
Let me explain. When you translate, your brain is doing two jobs. First, thinking in your mother tongue. Second, converting it into English. That's why you feel pressure and fear.
Yes, and by the time I speak, the conversation already moves on.
Exactly. Native speakers don't translate. They think directly in English.
That sounds difficult.
At first, yes, but with practice, it becomes natural. Stage 3. Simple method to start thinking in English.
So, what should I do first?
Start with small thoughts, not full sentences. For example, if you see a cup, don't think, yay cup high. Think, this is a cup.
Even for small things?
Yes, when you walk, think, I'm walking. Train your brain with daily actions.
That sounds simple, but powerful.
Simple methods work best. Stage 4. Using self-talk in English.
But I don't get chances to speak English daily.
Then talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? Isn't that strange?
Not at all. It's smart practice. For example, today, I woke up late.
So I don't need anyone?
Exactly. Your mind becomes your practice partner. Stage 5. Grammar fear.
What about grammar mistakes?
Don't worry. Focus on meaning, not perfection. Stage 6. Listening.
Does listening help?
Yes, listen daily and your thinking will improve. Small diamond. Stage 7. Confidence.
So I just need practice?
Exactly. Think daily, speak freely.
Start thinking in English today, and speaking will